Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking to get more warmth and efficiency out of your fireplace this season, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best fireplace fans, carefully selected for their air circulation performance, durability, design, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Easywave Magnetic Fireplace Fan. Leading our list is the Easywave Magnetic Fireplace Fan, a brilliantly simple solution that requires absolutely no electricity or batteries to operate. This clever device uses thermoelectric technology to convert heat directly into power, meaning it starts working automatically once your fireplace reaches about 60 degrees Celsius. As the temperature increases to 80 degrees, the fan begins oscillating through a 60-degree arc, pushing warm air across a wider area of your room rather than letting it all rise straight to the ceiling. The all-aluminum construction ensures excellent heat dissipation and corrosion resistance, while the built-in over-temperature protection gives you peace of mind during those extra hot fires. What we love most is how this fan can reduce your wood consumption by up to 30% by making your heat source dramatically more efficient. The magnetic base keeps it securely in place on most stove surfaces, and the completely silent operation means you'll feel the warmth without hearing the source. Number 2. VODA Non-Electric Fireplace Fan. The VODA Non-Electric Fireplace Fan takes a multifunctional approach to improving your fireplace experience. Its 8 upgraded blades are engineered to move air more effectively than standard 4 or 6-blade models, creating better horizontal airflow that circulates warmth throughout your living space rather than letting it stagnate near the ceiling. But what really sets this model apart are the thoughtful extras. You get both a magnetic stove thermometer to monitor your fire's temperature and a fragrance dispenser that can fill your room with pleasant scents as the heat radiates. Like our top pick, it requires no external power source, operating entirely from the heat differential between its base and the surrounding air. The manufacturer stands behind this unit with a solid 2-year warranty and 30-day return policy. For those who want both improved heating efficiency and added ambiance from their fireplace setup, the VODA delivers exceptional value and performance. Number 3. JossaColar Pellet Fireplace Fan. The JossaColar Pellet Fireplace Fan offers reliable performance in a compact, straightforward package. Designed specifically for pellet stoves, but compatible with most wood-burning units, this fan features curved aluminum blades that optimize airflow for maximum heat distribution. Measuring just 6.5 inches long and 7.7 inches tall, it fits comfortably on smaller stove surfaces without obstructing your view of the fire. The heat-powered operation means it starts automatically when temperatures rise and slows down as your fire diminishes, creating a natural rhythm that matches your heating needs. We appreciate the included magnetic thermometer that helps you maintain optimal burning temperatures for both efficiency and safety. Built from durable aluminum with a 2-year warranty, the JossaColar is a no-fuss workhorse that quietly does its job season after season. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable fan that requires zero maintenance and effectively eliminates cold spots in your room, this model delivers consistent results. Number 4. VODA Thermal Fireplace Fan. Another excellent entry from VODA, the thermal fireplace fan builds on their successful design with enhanced safety features. The 8-blade configuration moves substantial air volume, but the real innovation lies in the built-in temperature monitoring and automatic protection systems. A visual temperature indicator at the base lets you check operating status at a glance, while an ingenious metallic strip gently lifts the fan if temperatures become excessive, preventing damage to both the unit and your stove surface. This thoughtful engineering makes it particularly suitable for high heat applications or situations where you might occasionally overfire your stove. Compatible with various heating sources, including wood stoves and popular portable heaters, this fan provides the same electricity-free operation as other thermal models while adding an extra layer of safety. With the same generous warranty as its sibling, the VODA Thermal gives you confidence that your investment is protected. Number 5. Easywave Stove Fireplace Fan. Completing our list is the powerful Easywave Stove Fireplace Fan, which takes thermal fan technology to the next level with its dual-motor, 6-blade design. This isn't just an incremental improvement. The dual-head configuration generates over 180 CFM of airflow, making it significantly more powerful than single-fan units, while maintaining whisper-quiet operation below 25 decibels. The heavy-duty motors and corrosion-resistant aluminum construction ensure this fan can handle continuous use throughout the heating season. What's truly impressive is how effectively it captures and redistributes heat that would otherwise be wasted, potentially saving up to 30% on your fuel costs while eliminating cold corners in larger rooms. The curved blades are engineered for optimal air movement, and the entire unit maintains its composure even during extended high-temperature operation. For those with larger spaces to heat or who simply want maximum circulation power, the Easywave dual fan model represents the peak of heat-powered fan technology. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best fireplace fans. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest product picks. Thanks for watching and stay warm. We'll see you in the next one.